song, it's called, what's it called?
Teka lang, babasahin ko muna.
This is what goes
It's
on
called Kapaligiran.
Kapaligiran?
Now, I want everyone to concentrate to watch our TV over here. DVD. Manood ba kayo ng DVD? We're gonna show a little bit
Negative
of
Saints, what
slideshow.
up?
That's right.
It relates.
related.
Kumbaga, before I did my act, it's like a song that I did a translation. Now, this song that they're gonna do, it relates to the video and what's happening on the Philippines today. And as everyone heard, reply social. Tuwing umuulan,
bilang.
This one got to do with the floods.
Sa Bagyo.
Sa Bagyo. Lahat yun si Ondoy. Yang Ondoy. Si Pebeng.
Watch DJ Mo at work.
Si Mang Pebeng, si Mang Ondoy. This is Defo.
DJ K Ford in
So
the house.
if anybody you
What up,
haven't
yo?
seen this before, this is like a small clip and of what happened in the Philippines. Like, habang tayo nandito,
I'd like to say thanks to Ed Hardy for wardrobe.
Sila, lumalangoy ang oras sa isang araw.
Alright, no market.
Paano ko hindi mapupunoon? That's my place.
Oh, isa yung
That's my bayan. That's Marikina.
Marikina ba?
Yeah. Now, you know, but they're alright now. So it's alright. Thanks to God, they're alright. And okay, we'll give it up for this band.
Yeah, why not?
Now this band is called
Negative
Saints, and this is built by the vocalist
Rodrigo Palo
and you got bass guitar Brian.
Divesa
You got lead guitar Christian,
Sorreta
and you got who else? We got a rhythm guitar Paul Reyes. And may bago silang
recruit pare. Bago recruit to.
Pinayagan ng nanay. Pinayagan ng ganito. Ang pangalan niya?
Si Jeff Villa.
Alright.
Okay.
Negative Saints, everybody.
Give it up.
Last act. Come on. Fuck. How did that go?
That's good, man.
Stop laughing.